Well, no people are watching this video, but I hope one day that bizarre or famous people watch my video, but somebody watches me and all this shit because of my YouTube views and SoundCloud page, and I'm not gonna post this, or maybe I should, because y'all understand me and hear me talking out loud while I am cooking this boneless barbecue chicken in the microwave at the house that I'm staying at. And I'm getting acquainted and newly used to being in the world. So I'm working on music, trying to record it in November when I get my refund check for going to school at Miami-Dade College. But I don't care if anybody fucks with me or not. But that being said, I'm trying to connect with people in the world in a good way. So I am going to post this Instagram live video to YouTube. Check it out, y'all. My name is Gilbert Pomar, as you know and can see on my new Gilbert Pomar the 4th YouTube account, as well as my old Gil Pomar YouTube account, and also seen on Instagram at GPO Rap Music. GPO is me. Okay, that's it. Gotta go. Everybody do what you want to do.